If your travel plans involve southern Saskatchewan or Manitoba, brace yourself for a snowstorm of epic proportions. Environment and Climate Change Canada has issued a heavy snowfall warning for southern Saskatchewan and the Parklands region of Manitoba. Starting Wednesday morning, February 5th, expect 10 to 20 centimeters of snow, with the heaviest fall from Moose Jaw to Regina, extending east to the Manitoba border and south to the U.S. border. The snow will taper off by late Wednesday evening, but not before making travel tricky. Drivers prepare for deteriorating conditions on walkways, sidewalks, and roads. While high winds aren't expected, gusts up to 50 kilometers per h could create blowing snow and reduced visibility. Stay safe and plan ahead for this winter weather event.